MyAnnuityGuy.com, recently featured on ABC, NBC, CBS, and Fox, is America's choice and your local gateway to honest and ethical answers on annuities and retirement income planning. There are hundreds of websites on the internet, all claiming to be the best, and some with all kinds of people in their video promos who portray the Fortune 500 image, yet it still boils down to who you feel comfortable with and getting the answers you need and that you deserve. When the time comes, you won't want to deal with 10 people wearing headsets on their way to the next customer. You'll want to talk to a caring, knowledgeable, and professional licensee registered with the state and with no pressure and no rush. That's what you'll get with MyAnnuityGuy.com. Old-fashioned, down-to-earth service and pleasant communication. You want to talk to someone eager to help you learn, not eager to make a sale. You'll want a real person, just like yourself, who is focused on your needs and your situation, but with all the resources of a large company. In other words, a trusted advisor resource. That's MyAnnuityGuy.com. Sure, at first you'll want to just read and do your own research with no hassle and no one bugging you. We understand that. And MyAnnuityGuy.com is the best place to start. Under the guidance and direction of Steve Jurich, a well-known retirement coach and wealth manager with IQ Wealth Management, MyAnnuityGuy.com gives you the access to instructional videos and calculators that are simple to use. You can also listen to Steve on Money Radio with Sinclair No at 4:35 p.m. on Mondays, as well as on Mondays and Wednesdays at noon for the popular program Journey to Wealth. All showtimes are Phoenix time, and you can listen live on the internet from anywhere. The benefits are simply too numerous to mention here, but it can all be yours free without charge or obligation simply by entering your name and email below. Our strict privacy policy guarantees your confidentiality and protection at all times. By entering your name and email below, you'll have access to Annuities Made Simple, a very popular and easy-to-understand report that breaks annuities down into their simple categories and takes the mystery out. You'll also have access to extensive video mini-courses, webinars, and key updates. Here's an important guarantee. You will never get the hard sell from MyAnnuityGuy.com. We're here for you, and we work by the golden rule. But now here's an important consumer alert. Did you know that 98% of all hybrid annuities pay less than the top 2%? That's right. There is a major difference with regard to income annuity payouts. Income is the name of the game in retirement. Markets rise and markets fall, but those with the cash flow will survive and even thrive in the uncertain times ahead. As the editor-in-chief of MyAnnuityGuy.com, Steve Jurich says, "Life is a journey, but it takes money to get there." The old school method is to build yourself a pile of money for retirement, and that's great, but how are you going to pay yourself an income from that pile? What if you make the wrong investment choices and suddenly your pile of money starts shrinking and your income suddenly looks unstable? It happens more often than you think. But with the right annuity or ladder of annuities selected from the help of Steve or one of his agents in your area and MyAnnuityGuy.com, you can be assured of a stable, secure income that won't run out no matter if the markets go up, down, or sideways. Remember, the reasons you go with an annuity in the first place are, number 1, safety, number 2, security, and number 3, income. And income is the foundation of any retirement plan. Annuities are not designed to accumulate money, although they can. Annuities are built for income and retirement. In fact, annuities may be considered the wave of the future in financial planning. As bank interest rates wallow near zero, the stock market wobbles near all-time highs. Annuities would never take up all of your portfolio, just that portion that you want to keep safe and protected from market risk and able to pay you or your spouse for as long as you live. Since there is now a 25% chance that a woman who makes it to age 65 may also make it to age 95, the insured income that a properly chosen annuity can provide will become more and more desirable to retiring women. Women are attracted to annuities for their stability, safety, and security. Annuities can provide a contractually guaranteed income backed by legal reserve insurers, many of which are more than 100 years old and tested by the worst financial crises of all time. But here's another important consumer alert. Not all insurers are the same, and all guarantees rely on the claims paying ability of the insurer. Ratings are important, but you will also want to look beyond the ratings and know two very important key statistics about any insurance company before you make your choice. We'll share that with you on the other side. You should also learn the 15 key questions to ask any annuity advisor before you sign on the dotted line, and you should also be given the opportunity to compare. We'll make sure of that for you. You've worked your entire lifetime for the money you have now to fund your retirement. You don't like the low interest rates you see at the bank, and you can't be certain about the direction of the markets. You are looking to make an excellent choice for your 401k, 403b, or IRA rollover. Learn why so many retiring engineers, teachers, business owners, and professionals are making the move to hybrid index annuities, and why more people are moving to MyAnnuityGuy.com to start their search and complete their journey. You've come too far to make mistakes with your money now. Lock in your current gains in your portfolio and put the solid floor under it that you so much desire to have. It makes logical sense, and it is being recommended by a growing number of financial planners from coast to coast. Don't get left behind, and don't get talked into an annuity that may not be right for you. Never settle for the first annuity you see without comparing features, costs, and benefits. Bank lobbies or your local insurance agent may be friendly and mean well, but do they allow you to compare more than 40 to 100 annuities? Will they allow you to compare the enhanced income benefits being offered by the top competitive insurers in the marketplace? We can make sure that happens for you. Today, all of us compare before we buy anything of real value. We want the most durable and versatile and cost-efficient products we can find. You don't settle for the first house or car you see. You compare first, don't you? There are 917 insurance companies in America today. If your local bank or insurance company is only showing you 1 or 2 or 3 companies, how can you be sure you're getting the best and the most for your dollar? The answer is simple. You can't. Remember this. MyAnnuityGuy.com will simply not be beat on any annuity quote. That's a guarantee. How can we be so sure? Well, with decades of experience and access to the income benefits of all leading carriers, the exclusive MyAnnuityGuy.com annuity GPS system puts you in control. The exclusive MyAnnuityGuy.com annuity GPS system ensures that you'll get a fair comparison and the best combination of benefits for your dollar before you make any kind of commitment, and with no sales pressure. The bottom line and the best consumer advocates' advice. Number 1, always compare first and work with a true specialist in hybrid annuities. Hybrids offer a combination of income, growth, and liquidity, and the safety with the flexibility to respond to changes in your plan. Number 2, be clear on how annuities work before you sign on the dotted line. Request our free report, 15 questions to ask the annuity advisor before you sign on the dotted line. Number 3, learn how to retire on 5 to 7% safe withdrawals contractually guaranteed by secure companies. Number 4, caution. Don't be confused by marketing techniques offering a 6.5% rate of interest. The agent is referring to a roll-up rate on an income rider and not to the rate of the annuity itself. We'll help you read the fine print and between the lines. Number 5, caution. Some annuities don't reward you for getting older. That's unfair. We'll show you the annuities that reward you for getting older and do not require annuitization. Number 6, some annuities may pay you an increasing amount of income every year. Learn which ones do and which ones to avoid. You are one simple and easy step away from opening up a world of education and learning. MyAnnuityGuy.com will help you compare, understand, and choose the right annuity for your portfolio in just the right amount. Here are the questions we can answer for you. For example, what are the different types of annuities? What are the advantages of annuities? What are the disadvantages? Which annuities protect my principal and can be used for a 401k or IRA rollover? Which annuities are the most liquid? Which pay the most income? How much of my portfolio should be dedicated to annuities? How do income riders work? Which income riders are better, and which riders pay the most income at later ages, say 68 or over 70? Can I ladder annuities the same way bonds can be laddered? Is there a day when surrender charges go away, never to return? What if I decide to withdraw money? Should I hold an annuity with my IRA? What happens to my annuity after I die? Can I add my spouse to the income rider even if it's an IRA? Can I add a multi-generational stretch IRA feature at no extra charge? Should I exchange my existing annuity for a new one? What if I bought an annuity I no longer want? What is involved in applying for an annuity? You'll want the correct answers to these questions, and we'll be happy to provide them. There are over 1,000 annuities on the market and over 10,000 agents. How do you know you're getting the straight story? By working with MyAnnuityGuy.com. We take our responsibilities seriously. It comes down to great service, solid relationships, and the numbers. Fancy videos and brochures do not change the numbers. We work with the same carriers as everyone else, but we make sure you get the best quotes and never settle for less income than you deserve. We will not be beat on any quote, and you will never feel pressure to make a decision. That's a guarantee. An annuity can be a life-changing financial move because you can finally have a floor under your money and an income that will be there from now on for both you and your spouse. If you currently own an annuity or annuities and you would like to see about a non-taxable exchange to a hybrid annuity, we would be happy to provide you with a quote and guide you every step of the way. Simply follow the links below to request your free information about annuities or to schedule a meeting with a dedicated life and annuity agent. This is not an offer to buy or sell any security. First step, at no risk or cost, download our educational guide, Annuities Made Simple, by entering your name and email below. Then, when you're ready, request a telephone call or personal review with a licensed ethical agent who will take the time to help you learn how to compare payouts, bonuses, potential charges, potential for increasing income, and company policies. Thank you for listening. We look forward to working with you and helping you arrive at a wise and well thought out financial decision that transforms your portfolio into a source of income and lasting peace of mind.